How to create a mobile version of your landing page with Marcom Robot. Creating a mobile version of your landing page with Marcom Robot is easy. Before we start, here are just a few of the key things you need to know. First, you don't even need to worry about the mobile version if you're using one of our predefined templates. All of the templates have a built-in mobile version. Simply tweak a few things, and you should be good to go. Now, if you are creating a landing page from scratch, start building your desktop version first. But instead of building it from the beginning to the end, and then taking on the mobile version, we recommend you do it section by section. That way, it's going to be way easier to make adjustments, and you'll save a lot of time. Finally, here are 5 advanced tips. Number 1. When you drop a component on a desktop version, it's being added to the mobile version as well and vice versa. Number 2. If you make changes to any of the components on the desktop version, the same changes will take place on the mobile version as well. But as soon as you start applying extra tweaks to those components to make them look great on smaller screens, these changes will not get synced to the desktop version. This way, you can make your mobile version look great, without destroying the desktop version, which is interconnected with it. Number 3. While the desktop and mobile versions are interconnected, common sections can have different heights. This gives you the flexibility to optimize your mobile version for vertically aligned screens. Number 4. If you want any of your components to be present exclusively on just one of the versions, it's easy to do. The presence control is designed to help you with that. Unclick the presence control to remove the component from a version where you don't need it. Number 5. The default width of the mobile version is set to 576 pixels. It was selected for a reason. Through the testing, we've discovered that with this width, landing pages look particularly great on the vast majority of mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more training, and join our community on Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.